Hi, I'm going to quickly guide you through how to manage your Facebook leads. So you go to your lead center. If you might have a different look to your page because Facebook is changing the look of the page all the time, but find your lead center. And in the lead center, you'll have something that looks like that if you have been running some lead generation ads. The key to lead generation ads is to have them heavily targeted so your audience is really reduced to potential clients. So if you're not sure about what the form looks like, you can click here and it's going to say, okay, these are people that you have contacted that fill the form that they say they might be interested in some real estate, in this case, Pemberton and Worcester. So you can look at that. So what I want you to look at is those leads over there. And what you can click here is email. So once you click on this, it's going to send them an email directly to them, and then it's going to come from Facebook. But what you can do is you go to a message you'd already done before. So I've done this here. So you paste the title and then you paste a message. The key to the message is to send them away from Facebook and into your website and into some places where they can get a hold of you. So if you track your links with Bitly, you'll be able to track every single action that people will be taking. So you can go here and you can say, hi, I'm filming for me. You filled out on Facebook recently. To view my featured listing, find out more about the real estate market in Pemberton and Whistler, BC. Please visit my website. Please visit my website and this is a link here that it's trackable with Bitly. I'm always available to discuss. Our team can help you with your real estate needs. Talk soon. And then you have a phone number, an email address, the name of the company, and a way to book an online meeting. So this is something you simply send. Once this is sent, I'm not going to send it right now, but once this is sent, what you do is you move your lead into an in-progress lead. And then you see what happens. And eventually you can just go and pluck at it. So the exercise would be to go into each email and then copy and paste that same message in order to move on with your lead. So this is a easy way you can go about following up with leads on Facebook and try to drive the traffic away from the lead center and more to people to pick up the phone and take up the next step and hopefully getting in touch.